In this video we fix a faulty window wiper motor. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're dealing with a faulty sticking wiper motor, which is quite common on these Audi TTs, especially if they've been sitting for a long time. So if you've had any of these problems, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first off, we're going to start with removing the wiper motor itself. Now it's all pretty simple stuff, but here's a few just tips and tricks. So I like to put a bit of masking tape or some sort of tape just to mark where the wipers are. Just makes it easier later on. It's really cheap and convenient. So it's just about just laying it where they are. Don't push them down too far. It's a great reference and it will help you later on. Once you've marked the wiper location, it's just about removing the wiper arms themselves, and they just got a couple of covering caps. They can just pop off, they're plastic caps. And with your impact socket, get one of these, link in the description where to get it from. Just undo the arms themselves. I think it's a 13mm, pretty simple, easy stuff. Bit of WD-40, as you know, water's getting in and rusting them. And use this puller. Use this wiper arm puller. It makes life a lot easier rather than shaking and knocking it around. You just attach it and screw it slowly, increasing the pressure while wiggling it up, and it will break free. It does make work a little bit easier, to be honest. And they're very economical and cheap. So same thing on the other side. Get it on, underneath, push it through. You shouldn't really go too hard on these, you can break them. So yeah, just take your time, give a little wiggle, and it will come off, making life easier for yourself. So up for the scuttle panel now, and that lifts up, not slides up towards the screen, but up towards the sky sort of thing. So you just got to just pop that up and then ease out the washer motor jets. So you saw me just pull it from the front, leaning backwards, and then slipping them through the hole that they are located in. Just take your time here. Remember, this is old plastic. Now underneath it will be held down by cable ties, which you're just going to have to clip off one by one. You will have to replace them when you're putting them back on, but just don't yank up because you don't want to break anything under here. It's all about taking your time. Then there's a couple of other clips here, plugs. They heat them up, the heater plugs. Well, they heat up the jets. Just whip it off. Back with our impact socket again, and I think there's 4 nuts. I think they are, or bolts, always forget. I think they are 13mm. Just whip them off. There you go. Simple stuff. Get one of those impacts. They are a godsend. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to put the link in the description where to get them from. Use my Amazon link because it helps the channel. And you can see you got to wiggle it out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And it will pop out. Still got the plug on it there. Leave it off. All is good. Now just for good habits, just use a brush and scrape out where that scuttle panel goes so it goes on easier later on. And just out of habit, just hoover up behind there. While you got the opportunity, just good practice. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Now the repair tutorial is going to be on the next video. Some people just want to see the removal, so we try to cater for everyone. Next, we diagnose, we open, we split, we fix, we restore the wiper motor to work again. So yep, don't forget to watch that video.